In this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to actually create a page or business portfolio on Facebook from your profile account so that you can use it to run an ad. Okay, so let's go. As you can see on my screen, this is my Facebook profile account with my name. So I'm going to use this profile account to create a page that I'm going to use to run an ad. Sometimes you already created a page from my account if you know that one, but in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business portfolio or a page that can use to run an ad. Alright, so if you can see on my screen, I'm going to show you where you can go about and create this business portfolio. On my homepage here, you can see everything about my page. If I go by the right hand side here, you see something like 9 dots here. It's called menu. Click on it to take you to another section on your profile page, and you see ads manager. If I click on this ad manager, let me right click and then open it in a new tab. Left click and open it on a new tab, so it's open up. So when the ad manager opens up, from there I can able to create a business portfolio from my profile account. So you have to take notice of this step by step that I'm going to. Alright, so right now as you can see on the screen, the ad manager had opened, but what I'm seeing here is my Facebook profile account because that is what I'm using. So in order to get a business portfolio, you come down here, see the upper side, I'm pointing my cursor arrow, just click on that box and it will open another section of this page. I already have another page account here, which is okay. It says 0 ad account. I'm not running any ad on that account, but here today I'm going to show you how to create one if you don't have already a page that is kind of on top of here when you open your profile account under your ad manager. So you check down, you see create a business portfolio. You click on it. Now when you click on it, create a business portfolio, you're going to show you this place, business portfolio name, enter your contact information and business email. Okay, so when this comes up, what they expect you to do is that the page that you already created through your profile account, you have to enter the name correctly as it is here. Now, in order not to make any mistake, I have to go back to my Facebook account and then check for the name of the page on my Facebook that I have not entered and copy the exact name. So I'm going to enter that page here by clicking on it, and then it's loading. After I finish loading, I have to make sure that I copy this exact name on the Facebook account in order not to make a mistake. Alright, so the page has opened finally. So what I'll do here, I'll copy exactly as you can see on the screen, so that there will be no mistake when I'm entering the name on that ad manager page. So I go back to ad manager, I enter that name, I just copy. Now here I say enter your contact info, enter the name of your profile account. Okay, promise. Next is to enter your email. So enter there and create. So this is how to go about it. Make sure you copy the exact name on the page you've created. In my next video, I'm going to explain how to create a page using your profile account. So this time around, say, what do you want to add into this business portfolio? Okay, you can select any of them there. Say select relevant business assets, add Facebook pages and Instagram account that are related to the same business organization. You can skip it, but you can just choose one and then you click next. They say add people to this business portfolio. If you already have people, you can add them there. Say add another person by email. I don't need that information right now, so I'll click next. And review and confirm your business portfolio. Okay, everything is confirmed. So the time that is my page, and then go to promise, my profile account and my email. Everything is correct, and then I enter confirm. So I have to wait for it to load, like show successful. So I can see that is how to create a business portfolio. So I go back here again, the top hand side, and click on it. You see that account has been added. My main account is here, which is my profile, and this is my second page. It's called business portfolio. With it, as you can see on the screen, I can run adverts. You can see all the columns, campaign, bid, strategy, budget, attribution, result, and all the rest. So from here, I can set my ad, enter every details. So next time when I come down here for my profile account, I can always from here set up my account, and if I want to stop the account, I can always from here stop it. So this is just how to go about setting up your business portfolio. I can create another one. All right, so next video I will show you how to do that one. So just follow this step by step, and you are done creating a business portfolio account on Facebook. I can use it to run ads, and it is endless. You can run as many ads you can on these accounts.